What's going on, my vegans? For one thing, like I told y'all before I even start here, I want to apologize about the animal stuff I'm wearing. This is from 5 years ago, where I'm only 4 years and 1 month into being a vegan. So 5 years ago, this is the coat I bought. And like I said, brother got bills, man. It ain't that easy just changing everything up. But trust and believe, I will be changing up my winter coat to a non-animal product coat. But let me just explain to you right now. I'm in Staten Island for the first time. And with me being in Staten Island for the first time, I'm breathing heavy because I came out in the blizzard. The city has been shut down. Nobody's supposed to be on the roads. As you see, there's nobody on the road. I'm going all the way up that long road right there to try to look at the snow. Look how high the snow is. Look where I'm at. Look how high the snow is. They're doing a really good job with cleaning right now, but had a private case today, and I didn't care what was going on. I was getting to that private case. So I did my little 8 hours, and you know how it is when you got your own personal business or whatever going on. You got to do some things that you normally wouldn't do if you was just working a regular job or working for somebody. This is privately for myself here. So I came to Staten Island for the first time, rode the ferry for the first time in the snow. I'm trying to rush right now to the train station because the train's supposed to be leaving in, let me see, in 8 minutes. And it looks like I'm not gonna make it. So hopefully this is one of those days that the train is running slow or whatever. But yeah, your boy's out here. Look at this. Look at the streets. Streets is crazy out here. It's not a game. They talking 30 inches, record 31 inches. We're talking about record-breaking snowfall. They out here working. They doing it. The city's doing a very good job. Let me run up out the way so they can do what they gotta do. And yeah, man, I hope everybody else is safe out there, staying warm, and didn't have to travel as far as I had to travel. And let me tell you also, because of the way the weather was this morning, took me like 4 hours to get here. About 4 hours to come get this paper to make it happen. But we gotta do what we gotta do, y'all. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, just wanna show you guys how your boy gets his hustle on. And also, let me tell you, I'm breathing heavy. I'm getting my cardio on because as you see this snow, it's not easy walking through the snow, and I'm kind of like stepping it up. I slowed down a little bit. I was jogging in it, but like I said, I treat this as also as a workout. You know what I mean? What the hell? Oh, yeah. So it's always about getting that workout on and making it happen. And yes, I think I'm by the train now. So let me hurry up and get where I gotta get so I don't have to miss it, because it's like a whole nother 30-minute wait if I don't get my train, y'all. So yeah, here we go. Yep. I go right down here. Look at this, I gotta step all in this. Right down to the train steps. Like I said, y'all, I don't want to slip and fall, but I use this as a little workout. You feel me? And as you see, it's really hardly nobody out here. It's very empty, but you got to do what you got to do when you're trying to make those pesos. So yeah, so till the next time, look at the snow. It's crazy. There's people across right there waiting to get deeper in. I'm going to Manhattan. I'm gonna stay right here. I'm gonna stay right back here. Off our waiting area. Yeah, so that's where I'm at, y'all. Off our waiting area. So holla at your boy. Thanks for watching. Love y'all. Peace out.